The following shows the graph of y equals the square of natural log of x divided by x. Find the coordinate of x for both turning points. The turning points are the points where our derivative is 0. The tangent is parallel to the x-axis and therefore the gradient is 0. We need to differentiate the quotient of a function and solve equals 0. Ready? The function in the numerator is the square of ln x. The function in the denominator is x. The derivative of f dash, is 2 times ln x, using the power rule, multiplied by the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x, using the chain rule. G dash is 1. We know that the quotient f over g has derivative given by the derivative of the first function times the second function minus the first function times the derivative of the second one over the square of the function in the denominator. Now, if we want to solve that equals 0, we need to make the numerator 0. Factorizing the expression carefully, we obtain two factors, ln x and 2 minus ln x. The first one is 0 when x equals e to the power of 0 or 1. The second one is 0 when ln x is 2 or x equals e to the power of 2, approximately 7.39. Derivatives are very important. Master differentiation step by step.